Now we're gonna try to weld this fender into the console that's hold it on the side here. It's all floppy. We have cut out all the rusty piece and I made a new piece like this, and we're gonna try to fit it here. So we're gonna weld the sides and then spot weld it to the console through these holes here. Then we had another issue is right here. When you have some damage on the front bumper on these cars, the front bumper is mounted here. This front bumper will just go in and up on the other side, on the back side here. This console that is attached to the fender, usually attached, not now. They will bend the underside here, and you get a cracking in the paint right here. And if you don't do this right, this cracking will start to rust. And that's what's happening here. And it's rusted right through here, so it's a long crack all the way here. We have to weld together. We have to have some power to the welder too. Something like that. I have to weld in some small mistakes there, but this is how I will do it. Then we go on with the things further back. Now I think we have welded everything that we should weld, even on this side. The big, show you, it's a little bit tight here. Maybe not the nicest, but we will fix this and a couple of spots over there, and it's good. Then we have left to do is the hood here. I think, I know, this summer I just put some paint over it because the paint had cracked over here and it has some crack over here on two spots and a big one in the middle here. We have to sandblast this because I just did a slappy job this summer to get paint on it, so it didn't look too bad. So we have to sandblast here, sandblast over here, and then I think we are good. We're going to 10 on all the weldings we have done. I have borrowed these things here. I can get some heat and get this 10 over it. I have done this thing with 10 before, but it's over 30 years ago since I do it last time, and I haven't done it that many times. So let's see how that goes. I will take you through the process how this is done when we are there. So follow. The first thing we're going to do here is put on some of this, and then I'm going to heat it up and wipe it off. The purpose of that is to get this 10 to stick on the car, and I will show you how we do it. First you heat up everything, and when you see it shifting to a darker color, you wipe off all the excess and you're left with a clean surface. Look closely here, it's melting. They have tanned here before, when they repaired the front of the fender. Then we're gonna take some of this, gonna heat this up too. The tricky thing is to have the right temperature. If it's too hot, the tan will melt off, and if it's too cold, it won't stick. So you have to have the right temperature. Then you just push it around with this wooden stick here. And this wood thing you have smeared some oil on earlier. If I had think this through before I recorded, I should have done some of the other areas before I record it. That way maybe some muscle memory had come back, and I will record it for you. I maybe have done a better job than this. Something like that. It's been a long time since I done this, over 30 years, and I only done it a few times. We'll let this cool off. Next step is to shape it with this. You just file it down. Then I went on and repeated this on the rest of the repairs. And now we do the same on this side. First on this, heat it up, wipe it off, and then 10. I think I get a little bit better and better on this. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.